Hello, and welcome to Fire Engineering's Training Minutes. My name's Todd Taylor. I'm a battalion chief for the Wayne Township Fire Department. In today's segment, we're going to talk about the driver being trapped behind the wheel, whether it be a school bus, which is in this case is what we're using, or a semi-tractor trailer. All of the same principles will apply. So we arrive on a scene, we perform the stabilization on the exterior, and then enter into the incident scene, whether it be a bus or a semi. As we enter in, the first thing we want to do is ensure the parking brake has been set. If not, simply pull the parking brake. One of the easiest ways to get the victim out from underneath the steering wheel may very well be to operate the air ride seat. Simply pushing the button, allowing the air out of the seat, may very well free your patient. If that doesn't work, find the tilt wheel mechanism and tilt the wheel. If we lower the air out of the seat and tilt the steering wheel and there's still not enough room or there's too much damage to do either of those, we can cut the ring off of the steering wheel. The first thing that we want to do is make sure that we've taken the vehicle down to a zero mechanical state by disconnecting the batteries. Once that's done, our rescuers are going to come in, check to see if there's an airbag. If there is an airbag, we want to make sure that we cut the ring and not the spokes. If there's no airbag in place, we can cut the ring and the spokes. Rescuer is going to come in. We put hard protection in place to make sure that we don't injure the patient or we don't drop that wheel down on the patient. First cut is made on the spokes since there is no steering or no airbag in place. Once that is made, second rescuer is going to come in, stabilize the wheel. And then the second cut can be made. Once that second cut is made, the entire steering wheel will come away. Depending on what type of steering wheel you have, there may be 2 or 3 spokes. Cut all of the spokes. And again, if there's an airbag in place, cut the ring. Under no circumstances should you attempt to cut the steering column. If we attempt to cut the steering column, it will apply force to that steering column and possibly dislodge that back into our victim. In this segment, we've shown 3 separate ways to attempt to rescue a victim that is trapped either by a steering wheel or by proximity of the dash itself. Thank you for watching Training Minutes. Thank you to Almatro for sponsoring this event. My name's Todd Taylor.